Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the fast and flawless achievement in Heartopia, which requires you to cook a 5-star dish within 60 seconds without burning the food. And a simple trick to do this is by cooking onsen egg at the Onsen Mountain like this. And then first just go to the Onsen Mountain. The location is near the bus stop, and when you arrive, just head to the lake area and you will find several pots used for cooking eggs like this, just like this. And then before cooking, make sure you already have the pasteurized eggs, which you can buy from the chef Massimo, and to increase your chances of getting a 5-star dish within 60 seconds. It's recommended to use a Rainbow Bouquet. This item increases your luck and gives you an extra star to your cooking results, and it's even better if you do this during rainbow weather. But if it's not rainbow weather, that's totally fine too. Next, just simply cook the egg in the pot, just like this. And then once you do this with the cooking the onsen egg, the best part about this method is that you don't need to adjust the temperature, so there's no risk of burning the food. Just repeat the process a few times until you get a 5-star dish within 60 seconds like this, and once you success, the fast and flawless achievement will unlock just like this. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!